Anthony Williams here from Detroit, Michigan. Guys, if you want to get some Chapter 7 bankruptcy service, looking for bankruptcy solutions, I want to introduce you to this company, and you can click the link underneath this video. Most people are filing for bankruptcy and want to know how much it costs. And this web page that I'm introducing you to, you can call in and get your details. There's a phone number right here, and then there's a reference ID number that you want to give them when you call customer service. And they normally take some of the expensive costs out of bankruptcy, and they can, normally get you it for $299, where other attorneys may charge you $1,200 to $2,000 for a Chapter 7. So you can get it for under $300, and that can even be broken down into 2 payments. So bankruptcy does not have to be something that's costly, and this website also is giving you solutions to how to go about getting bankruptcy, finding a way to get it done at a reasonable rate, where you're not stuck out there trying to pay more, and you're already in a situation where you got to file it. So they even show you some of the things that can happen after bankruptcy. It says life after bankruptcy. In spite of the effective national campaign by the creditors, it says here that the fact is life after bankruptcy is not as difficult as often imagined or portrayed. So you can, because a lot of times people say, well, you filed bankruptcy, it meant you broke. Not necessarily, just didn't have enough capital to cover your expenses that you had to pay out. And so a bankruptcy Chapter 7 allows you to keep your property and pay a lower fee without everything being taken from you, Chapter 7. So click the link underneath this video, check out this website, and you can get some services right away, online free consultation, and then you can go from there and find out what this company can do for you. It's called All Solutions Network. This is their service. They've been in business over 15 years, and we offer help on bankruptcy, as well as Chapter 13s and repossessions and tax services as well, mortgage help, mortgage relief. I mean, the whole nine. So I'm gonna put a couple new videos up, on some other services that we have, and you can click on those videos as well. But this is for those who are looking for bankruptcy solutions. Call the 1-800 number as you see at the top of this web page, and see what we can do for you. All right, God bless.